Welcome back to spreadsheetpoint.com. In this brief video, I will show you how to create a simple budget template, not using a template that's built into Excel if you wanted to build it yourself. So all you will need to do is set up the different sets of data tables that you will need, including the income sections, the expenses sections, fixed and variable expenses. And that essentially you're able to calculate your budget based on those fields. Now you'll see at the top here, this is the summary. So this total income looks at the income from these two sections here, which is the income and then non-operating income here. So you can change the names of this. Like you can be perhaps maybe this is person one and this is person two. So you can change this template according to your business or personal needs. And then they have a job one, they have a side job, and then maybe these ones are blank. And then it allows you to enter in the budgeted and actual, and then the difference. It shows the difference. So let's put in, they budgeted for, I don't know, $50,000, but they actually made $52,500. Okay. So it shows the difference in what they've budgeted. Person two, maybe they have a home business and they budgeted 30 and they brought in 36,500. So it shows that difference right there and summarizes both of these incomes up here at the top. And then you can go into your expenses. So in this table, it has operating expenses and non-operating expenses. Maybe this is fixed and variable. And maybe this is mortgage, car, insurance, right? So you put all of that in there based on whatever suits you in your life. Variable, food, cleaning, things like that. Trips, maybe. And then you delete that just like so. If you needed to add a row, you just right click and then insert, and then it automatically adds that row in there. You bring the formulas down just like so. Make sure these actually sum all of this. There we go. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward to build your own budgeting template. Just make sure that the formulas include all of the actual amounts that are in here. Just like that. I want to make sure that's adding up everything like that. As you add new expenses, if you need to add more rows, just make sure your formulas are capturing all of the data accordingly. So you'd enter in your variable expenses here, your fixed expenses here, and then at the top, it summarizes it nicely here. So in a sense, you just have to make sure you have the sections needed for the budget, which is the summary, which will be the formulas to bring in all of the data that you've entered down here, the income sections, and then your expenses. I'm going to change this to 2024, 25. I hope you found this video useful. For more tips and tricks, please visit spreadsheetpoint.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.